Hello, good day, viewers. You're welcome to today's class. I remain your tutor, Aisha Bande. So, we are going to continue with a series of NECO 2024 essay questions. Today, we shall be looking at question number 2, which reads: the fourth and the seventh term of a geometric progression are 8 and 64 over 27, respectively. We have to find the first question here, which is the common ratio, and the second, which is for us to find the first term. So we're going to solve, and after solving the question, we shall also explain the marking scheme according to the examination body. So solving, we have the relation which is for nth term of a GP as Tn is equal to AR raised to the power of n minus 1. So for the first, looking at the first statement there, we have the fourth term. So we have n is equals to 4. So let's substitute into the equation. We have T4 is equal to AR raised to the power of 4 minus 1. And the fourth term has a geometric progression, which is equals to 8. So we have AR raised to the power of 3 is equal to 8. We call this equation 1. Then we have n equals to 7 as the seventh term. So we have T7 substituted into the equation. This is T7 is equal to AR raised to the power of 7 minus 1, which is equal to the value given, which is 64 over 27. Okay, so that means AR, we have AR raised to the power of 6 is equals to 64 over 27. This is equation 2. Remember, what we're looking for is the common ratio, right? So we are solving the first question. So all we need to do now is to divide equation 2 by equation 1. Doing this will give us the value for R, which is the common ratio. Dividing equation 2 by 1 is going to be AR raised to the power of 6 divided by AR raised to the power of 3 equal to 64 over 27 all over 8. Simplifying this, we can see that A cancels A here, R to the power of 3 here cancels R to the power of 3 at the numerator, so we are left with R to the power of 3. So we have R to the power of 3 is equal to 64 over 27 divided by 8. And mathematically, this is the same as saying 64 over 27 times 1 over 8. So here we have R raised to the power of 3. So simplifying this, we can see that we can break this down to the lowest term. So 8 here is 1, and 8 here also is 8. We have R raised to the power of 3 is equals to 8 over 27. So now we are going to get a number raised to the power of 3 that will give us both the numerator and the denominator. So we have R raised to the power of 3 is equals to 2 to the power of 3 will give us 8 all over 3 to the power of 3 gives us 27. Okay, so this is the same as saying R to the power of 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 divided by 3 to the power of 3 is the same as saying 2 over 3 in the bracket R raised to the power of 3. So looking at this, we can see that the powers are the same, so they cancel out. So these powers cancel out. We are left with R is equal to 2 over 3. So this is the value for the common ratio as asked in the question. So let's move on to the next question, which is for us to find the first term. So we can use any of the equation, either equation 1 or 2, to get the value for the first term. So let's use equation 1 for the purpose of this class. Equation 1, which says AR raised to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Okay, so we have our common ratio already from the first question, which is 2 over 3. So all we need to do at this point is to substitute in the value of the common ratio to get the first term, which is A. So this becomes A multiplied by the value for the common ratio, which is 2 over 3, all to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So this is the same as saying A multiplied by 2 to the power of 3, which is 8 over 3 to the power of 3, which is 27. Okay, this is equals to 8. Simplifying further, we have 8 times 8, which is 8A over 27 is equal to 8. Same as saying 8 over 1, so we can cross multiply here to simplify. We have 8A times 1 is equals to 27 times 8. So 8A times 1 gives us 8A is equal to 27 times 8 gives us 216. So what we do from here is to divide both sides by 8 to get the value for A, because 8 is the coefficient of the unknown, which is A, right? So 8 cancels 8, 8 here is 1, 8 and 216 gives us 27. So we have A is equals to 27, and this is the value for the first term as asked from the question. So just as I've promised from the beginning, now let's look at the marking scheme from the examination body. So at this point here, we're going to have 1 mark for getting the equation. Solving that's the next step here gives us another 1 mark. Now we have 2 marks in total. When we get the value for r as 2 over 3, that gives us another 1 mark. Okay. When we substitute for r to be 2 over 3, in the second question here, we have, for substituting, we have 1 mark. And also, for getting the value of A to be equals to 27 here gives us another 1 mark. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total number of marks allocated is 5 marks in total. Okay, so this is the marking scheme according to the examination body. So viewers, if you have any question on it, kindly drop your question in the comment section and we shall take it up from there. See you in the next class as we move on to the next question, number 3. I remain your tutor, Aisha Bende. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.